Guys, today we're diving into something that might just change your selfie game. I mean, have you ever struggled to get the perfect angle for your photos or just wished you had an extra hand to hold your phone steady? Well, we might have just found the solution. Today we're talking about the JJC SFM-1 MagSafe magnetic selfie stick tripod. Now this nifty gadget promises to be a game changer for both MagSafe and non-MagSafe smartphone users. So let's get into it and see what this device is all about. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the JJC magnetic selfie tripod stick. Now, you know what? It's not a bad piece of kit. With a lightweight 5-section aluminium pole, a tripod base and availability in 2 colours, it definitely deserves a place in your photography arsenal. Now, before we get into it, JJC sent me this selfie stick to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. First off guys, open up the box and we've got a USB-C charging cable. Now, more on that later. Then we have a phone adapter, as although this is a MagSafe magnetic selfie stick, for those that don't have a MagSafe or magnetic phone, you can use this adapter, which will enable you to use it as a traditional clamp bracket. So that's pretty thoughtful. Next up guys, we have some instructions. You also get a clear protective film and you get a 3M adhesive metal ring, again for those devices that are non-magnetic. And lastly guys, there's a wet cleaning wipe so you can prepare that surface for that adhesive ring if necessary. Now guys, taking a look at this selfie stick, and as I said, it's made up of 5 aluminium telescopic poles with a tripod on the bottom, which means it can reach heights between 35 and 95 centimeters with a range that allows you to capture shots from various different angles and distances. Now guys, the one thing I've seen when reviewing magnetic accessories is that the magnets are sometimes not that great, meaning your very expensive smartphone could take a nasty tumble. But this JJC has a very strong magnet and it's MagSafe too. And look, I'm shaking this around and you know what, it's going nowhere. Why? Because it uses 16 N52 grade thickened magnets which can generate a force of up to 2.2 kilograms, and to put that into perspective, it's about 11 times the weight of one of these iPhone 15 Pros. That's some serious holding power. Now, for non-MagSafe phones, as I said, you get this magnetic phone clamp. And you know what? This is pretty novel because this kind of magnetizes onto that, so that's going nowhere. Then you get this little disc with a screw on it for a bit of extra protection. And once that is screwed up on there, this thing is going nowhere. And it can hold phones with a width of between 55 and 90 millimeters. So you know what? If you're moving around a lot, your device is going nowhere. And guys, this stick isn't just for smartphones. In fact, if you undo this little screw, you can detach the magnetic connector, and that gives you an action camera mount. So that's pretty cool, right? So you can put your GoPro or whatever on there and still use this stick. Now guys, remember that USB-C cable that I talked about? Well, That's for the Bluetooth remote controller on the handle. Yes, this is a nice touch. And that cable is to charge its built-in lithium-ion battery, and it works with both iOS and Android devices. You can actually slide this out and you can access the charge port here, and you can pop it back in, and obviously it's Bluetooth, so it's going to work remotely. And if you push this button down, you'll activate the Bluetooth pairing mode, and you can just sync that up to your phone. And like I said, both Android and iOS devices are supported. So guys, there you have it. This magnetic MagSafe selfie stick tripod from JJC is your perfect companion for capturing beautiful moments and creating professional grade imagery. With its universal capability and compatibility, versatile design, sturdy construction, and user-friendly features, it's an essential tool for both smartphone and action camera users. And guys, at a price of only £29.99 at the time of this video going live, it won't break the bank. And if you hurry, Amazon are giving a further 20% discount right now. So guys, I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to JJC for sending me this cool selfie stick tripod to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.